Hi, today's video is a little bit different from what you're used to. It's going to be a short video, and the idea is just to share a couple of messages with you. So first of all, I wanted to tell you that I'm going to take a break for 2 weeks, so there will not be any new videos in the next 2 weeks. But I also wanted to share two important messages with you. First of all, I wanted to let you know that I will be working on a series about tools in wet felting. So when I come back, I will start filming that. And I would like to invite you to share your questions with me so that maybe I can make a video for you about your particular questions on tools for wet felting. So if you have ever gone through the issue of what kind of tool should I choose for a particular type of project, or do I really need to buy this or that, or anything else that comes up. So there are millions of different questions about tools in wet felting. I would like to invite you to share them with me. Now you can do that in a couple of different ways. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the easiest thing to do is to share your questions in the comments below the video. But if you are a subscriber to my email newsletter, the best thing to do, also if you want to keep it a bit more private, is you can just click reply. So from the email you will be getting with this video, and tell me how I can help you. So that is message number 1. And my second message for you today is that I am about to finish a video plus a guide on the most frequent question that felt makers have, which is, how do I know that my felt is finished? Okay, so I can't tell you the number of times I've gotten this question. It may be a problem for you too. So as I was saying, I am about to finish the video and the guide, so it'll be a PDF guide, a free PDF guide that you can download, and that will be finished very soon. All right, so these were the two messages I had for you today. Don't forget to share your questions if you've ever had questions about tools. And yeah, make sure you don't miss what's coming up. And for that, all you have to do is sign up for my email newsletter or just subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon.